Do you want to work in Canada legally with a job sponsorship, even if you are outside Canada? Today, I will show you step by step how to find LMIA approved jobs that can lead to a work permit and possibly PR, permanent residency. This is 100% legit and direct from the Canadian government website. No agent, no scam. Before we dive in, I want you to know this. Patience and consistency are the key. Getting a Canadian work visa doesn't happen overnight. You must apply to multiple companies, customize your CV, and stay consistent. I have helped hundreds of people to get Canadian using this exact step. Stick with me to the end. Understanding LMIA. LMIA means Labor Market Impact Assessment. It is a special approved Canadian employer gets to hire foreign worker. If a job is LMIA approved, it means the company is ready to sponsor you for a work permit. So our goal is to find this LMIA approved company and apply directly. Your CV must be Canadian style. Simple, clear, and no unnecessary information. What do I mean that? Your CV must include your name, your email address, your phone number. It must include professional summary, 3 to 4 lines about your experience. It must include work experience with job title, company, days, and achievement. Education, skills, reference if available. Please don't include photo, age or date of birth, marital status or religion or nationality. Please don't include that. Required document. The required document: number 1, valid international passport, standard Canadian CV, cover letter, certificate or degrees if job requires, reference letter if possible, IELTS or language test optional. Final step, which is last step, apply to multiple companies daily. Be consistent. Set a target like 5 to 10 applications per day. If a company responds, follow up quickly and provide all the documents. Don't give up. Many people got frustrated after a few rejections. Remember, patience plus consistency is equal to success. If you want me to guide you, follow me here, subscribe, and join my TikTok live session where I show even more tips. Let's start. When you want to search for LMIA job approved or job sponsorship in Canada, these are the steps you need to follow. You might want to go to your Google Chrome or browser, type in Canada job sponsorship for foreigners. Here you are going to scroll down. What we are looking for is the one that have job bank, find a job, and foreign candidate. This is what we are going to click. You click on that. So once you get to the landing page, the first thing you want to do is to sign in. You come here, you click on sign in, click on job seeker. If you are registered before, you need to sign in, but if you have not registered, you go to sign up. When you get to the sign up page, there are 2 ways you can sign up. The first one is for Canadian citizens, which means you are not going to go for this. The one you are looking for is standard account. And how can you get that? You come to this place, few more sign up options. You are going to click it. You scroll down. You click next. You read the terms and conditions if you want. You agree. Get to the landing page where you will register your information. The first thing you are going to do is put your email address and put your password. After that, you click continue. You are going to check for confirmation in your email address. This is going to be here. You pick the confirmation code, put it there, confirm it. Security question. This is very crucial, because if you forget the security question, you won't be able to log in, and they will lock you out after several attempts. So you pick whatever attempt that you know you can easily remember. Remember guys, it is very crucial to remember all these things. After that, click continue. Then here, it is very crucial. If you are Mr. or Mrs., put your name. Let me use some other name. Let's say Dare Martins. Okay. Here you will click I'm not a Canadian resident. You click finish. That is how you sign up. So this is your dashboard. You can see here it's telling you this is a standard account. So this is your dashboard. This one tells you day of days active. It means days you have been active. And this is when you see a job that you like to apply and you have no time to apply for it, you can easily see them here because you will save it. I will show you how to save it later. This is the amount of job. Once you get to this landing page, the next thing you are going to do, go to advanced. You go to advanced, there's button settings that you need to do. Do that, you come to advanced here. You click on advanced, you scroll down and you click on labor market impact assessment, and you want to click approve. You want to click on approve. Click on approve, scroll up. Another setting you need is intended applicant. You click here. You want to choose Canadian and international candidates. After that, it's going to show you the list of job sponsorship that are available for LMIA Pro and for international candidate. If you can see here, 146 results. You are going to click on view results here. And that is it, you are done. So these are the list of LMIA approved job you can apply to. These are the list. And what I will advise you to do is always check for the one that is posted 24 hours or 7 days ago. So how to do that? You come here, date posted. If you click last 48 hours, this is for August. This is August. They have not posted last 48 hours. So let's choose last 30 days, which you can still apply. So this one is okay. Jama, general farm worker. You just search for your field. If it is cooker help or psychiatrists or laborer landscape, there are tons of jobs here. So let's choose farmer worker as general farm worker as example. You click on it. The important information you need to take. This is the title of the job. You are going to need it later. And this is the place, the location, Manitoba. This is the address, and they are telling you it's on site. Here is salary per hour, $21 per hour. It is permanent contract. You can start as soon as possible. They need 4 people, 4 vacancies available. Job bank number is very crucial. This is the job bank number. You make sure you save it. Read the overview. It is very important. The minimum education is secondary school, graduation certificate. Experience is an added if you have. So this is how you will be working. You'll be working outdoor, wet down, and so on. Working set is a rural area. So this is your responsibility. So this responsibility, you might want to take it and put it in your CV. monitoring animal health, feed and tend animals, operate, and all those things. You might want to copy it and put it there in your CV. So experience and specialization. This is another experience they want. Making system automated. You need to read all these things and make sure you can do it. So these are the additional information you need. It is very, very crucial to read all those things. So now, the step we are looking for is who can apply. As soon as you see this one, other candidates with or without valid Canada work permit, then you can apply. So how do you apply? You show how to apply here. It's going to show you two ways. Direct apply is for Canadian citizen, but for you are going to pick the email. You send by email, you copy the email address, you go to your Gmail, you compose, put the email address, subject will be application for, you go back to the job site, you copy this, go back there, paste it, with job bank number, you go back, you pick the job bank there, the job bank number, and by this time prepare your CV, your cover letter, because you need a very strong cover letter as well that relate to what you want to and send. So that is how you make your application.